Hello everyone, today I'm going to be replacing my windshield washer jet nozzle here, and the first thing you're going to do is pop the hood. So right in here, all that. And you can see why these need to be replaced. This one is broken off completely, and I figured if one's already broken, they're both probably about to go, so gotta go ahead and replace both of them. So here's how the new one looks. So you just pinch these little ears here, and the old one should come out. So right here, there's an ear, and one on the other side. Pinch those and push it out, and there it is. So now I'm just going to disconnect this one. It looks like I might need to move this sleeve, rotate the sleeve around to disconnect it. Alright, so we got both those out. Here's the part number for these if you need to order them. I just ordered these off eBay. There are some aftermarket ones. I'm not sure if they'll work 100%, so I just ordered the OEM Ford part. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these out and install these. So here we go, nice shiny new ones. So we're gonna go ahead and get on the other side of the hood, and we're just going to angle them so that they're facing towards the windshield. Put them in that hole, just push them down until you hear them click, and you can just push them. Give a little push on the other side to make sure they're in there good. Now on the other side, do the same. Alright, so now we just need to hook them up to the hose. Go ahead and do this one first. I still need to fish out the part that broke out in there, so I'm gonna do that and then I'll hook it up. Okay, so I got it all cleaned out. You can just see the O-ring in there. So now I can go ahead and just push this on here. And I'm gonna rotate that little sleeve back into place. Give it a little tug, and it stays on there. And then this one, the sleeve is rotated back, so I'm gonna rotate it a little bit, and that way you can see how I got it off. Push this on there, rotate the sleeve back. Oh, didn't get it on there all the way. Try again. Alright, now it's on there. So now we can go ahead and close the hood and test it out and make sure it sprays and that it doesn't become disconnected. Alright, it looks like we've got some good spray and it's all working, so we're all done.
Happy birthday.